What you got there? A new Cheerio eating device? How are you gonna get them out? No, I don't know if that's gonna work. Let's see if you can figure it out all by yourself. Close. Stick your hand in. Uh-oh, they're not coming out. What are we going to do? Maybe Daphne will help. Give Daphne a kiss. Daphne. Owen, come here. You want Mommy to show you? Bring it to Mommy. Uh-oh. Bring it to Mommy. We'll get those Cheerios. Daphne, if you're a good girl, you can have some when we're done. Oh, and bring it to Mommy. Well, you gotta bring it. Thank you. Okay, let's see. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna stick our hand inside. Can you stick your hand inside? I think you got one. I think you got one. Well, now you take it out. Uh-oh. Did you drop it? Uh-oh, they're spilling. Now what? You got it! Yeah! Let's see, can you do it now? Uh-oh, that's supposed to be spill-proof. What the heck? Alright, let's give Daphne the ones that fell on the floor. Can you give it to Daphne? No, I don't trust that you'll give it to Daphne. There you go. More? Go ahead. Uh-oh. So much for our spill-proof container. You did it! Yay! What's the matter? Is your hand stuck? Good job! Are you so proud? Yay! Great job, Owen. I knew you'd figure it out.